Hello and welcome to day one of this semester at Westchester Community College's English Language Institute. We're going to be talking about a number of different things that you need to include. We're going to start with attendance, your roster, go into admit slips, an introduction to the class, setting expectations, and icebreakers. So let's get started with the attendance roster. This is your key to the class. You want to make sure that your students are present, that you're marking them present, that you're pronouncing their names correctly, and that you learn any nicknames they prefer to be called by. Very important. Now, if a student is not on your roster, you want to make sure that you've received an admit slip. This will usually come via email, or it will usually come in writing via email or in a paper document from your coordinator. If a student does not have an admit slip, that student may have been misplaced, and you want to make sure that your coordinator is notified and the student is heading to the right class. Then another thing, you're going to be going through your outline. You're introducing your students to all different things on the first day, including the reading program and the writing portfolio. These are two fundamental elements of each and every one of our classes. Additionally, you want your students to set expectations. You want them to think about what their goals are. Yes, they're all there to learn English, but maybe more specifically. And they can do this with each other. They can do this on their own and then with each other. It's important for them to do this goal setting. Also important are setting rules for the classroom. You want them to come on time. You want them to speak English as much as possible during class and outside of class. You want them to turn their phones off. You want them to be prepared. You want to share all this information with them. There's no eating in the classroom. Guests are not permitted. You want to tell them not to be afraid to make mistakes and to practice, practice, practice. That's how it's going to happen. That's how they're going to learn. Additionally, first day of class, you want to do some icebreakers. This will help to build community and relax them and just get them going for another great semester. So we look forward to working with you and hope that this has been helpful. Have a great semester.